Hey everyone, this is Ian with the AlphaCars and Ural of New England. Today we're in our service department checking out this new 2023 Gear Up Terracotta and Gray Metallic. Very cool color combo. There's still some fingerprints on it as this was just built. And this is really kind of a teaser video. There will be a full in-depth video on this bike once it is cleaned and road tested. As I said, this was just finished the initial assembly, but we're just admiring this color, even checking out the transition there. This bike has the undercoating on all three fenders and the sidecar and in the sidecar tub as well. Really just some awesome features on this bike. I love these two shades of colors. They really look awesome. Powder coated drivetrain. Let's open up the trunk. Once again, you can see that undercoating or the chip guard, and of course the factory manual and toolkit and touch-up paint. That's right, you get full touch-up paint, all three colors needed. So very quality touch there from Ural. We can see the driving lights, the harness was run through the bumper. So it looks ultra clean, and it comes out right there and goes into the sidecar. And of course, when we drill the back of the bumper to run that harness through it, we do apply touch-up paint and a rubber grommet, so no worries there. With rust or anything, that is all done properly. Because I will note, I don't know if I mentioned it, from the factory, the harness is run on the outside of the bumper. So that's just a little thing we like to do here at AlphaCars. Makes the quality and the fit and finish just that much better. Checking out, you can see once again that chip guard, that textured finish. Really anywhere that's common to get chips or the paint damage is protected, so then you're sure for a long life and not worrying about any corrosion on those surfaces. And we can see the true 2-into-1 high mount exhaust. And a part I like to show is the 2-into-1 junction here. The camera will focus. We can see how nice the welds are. Very pretty welds on the whole exhaust system. So, as I said, this is really just a teaser. This is a really cool color combo, and when I saw that it had just been built, I figured, hey, I know I would want to see that as soon as it's ready. So here it is. Just stay tuned, and in the coming week or two there will be a full video showing you the in and outs of this Ural, and of course I'll be going over all of its kind of features and specifications and the like, so stay tuned for that and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.